Hey everyone, it's George from Blockchain DXB and you're listening to the Saudi Arabia AI Frontier. Now listen guys, it's really important to note that the podcast that you're listening to right now might be sounding like my voice, but it is not my voice. The voice is a completely AI-driven podcast. Even the research, the script, 100% is done purely by artificial intelligence. As a matter of fact, what I did, I asked ChatGPT 4 to come up with solutions and platforms that I can use in order to go ahead and clone my voice. And it did offer me 4 platforms. So in this particular episode, I'm using the first one. In the second one, which I plan to release most likely next Friday, I'll try to use the second one. And the following 2 weeks, I'll use the third and fourth one. Now, it's really important to note, guys, that the entire episode script, the research is done purely by artificial intelligence with little to zero involvement by human being. So let me know what your feedbacks are. And you also need to remember that there might be some repetitions, there might be some errors. To be honest, the host of this podcast, that is R.A. George, hasn't even gone through the script because what he feels is that if he goes ahead and reads the script or uses his own voice, there is a very high possibility he might go ahead and make changes. And he wants to go ahead and have least human involvement. So let me know what the feedback is. And if you do have any feedback or suggestions, drop me an email to info@blockchaindxb.com. So let's go ahead and start the new podcast series called the Saudi Arabia AI Frontier. Hello and welcome to Saudi Arabia AI Frontier, your go-to podcast for exploring the cutting-edge development in artificial intelligence within the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I'm your host George from Blockchain DXB, and I'm thrilled to embark on this journey as we delve into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and its role in shaping the future. Before we dive into today's episode, let me give you a brief introduction to Blockchain DXB. We are known for a flagship podcast series, Crypto and Coffee at 8, where we cover macro-level news on blockchain and cryptocurrency world. We've been at the forefront of crypto revolution since 2013. Additionally, we bring you latest news and insights from Dubai, UAE and Middle East regarding cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. But today, we are shifting our focus to another realm of innovation, that is artificial intelligence. Now let's talk about why artificial intelligence in Saudi Arabia is such an exciting frontier. The kingdom has been making significant investments in AI technology as part of its Vision 2030 initiative, aiming to diversify its economy and drive innovation across various sectors. From healthcare and finance to transportation and education, AI is poised to revolutionize how we live, work and interact with the technology, and Saudi Arabia is at the forefront of this transformation with initiatives like Saudi Data and AI Authority spearheading efforts to harness the power of AI for the benefit of society. In this podcast series, we'll explore the latest AI projects, research initiatives, and startups emerging from Saudi Arabia. We'll hear from the leading experts, innovators, and policymakers driving the AI agenda forward in the kingdom. But our journey doesn't stop there. We'll also examine the ethical, social, and economic implication of AI development in Saudi Arabia, addressing questions of fairness, transparency, and accountability along the way. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, an entrepreneur, or simply curious about the future of AI, Saudi Arabia's AI frontier is the gateway to understanding the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. Thank you for tuning into Saudi Arabia AI platform with me, George, from Blockchain DXB. Be sure to subscribe to our podcast for future episodes, and don't forget to check out our other podcast series, Crypto and Coffee at 8, and the Race Space podcast, where we explore the world of obstacle course racing as well. Now let's go ahead and talk more about artificial intelligence in Saudi Arabia. In this episode, we'll embark on a journey into the fundamentals of artificial intelligence, its historical evolution, and its profound significance in today's world. Let's begin by defining what exactly artificial intelligence is. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence processed by machines, particularly computer systems. These processes encompass a wide range of functionalities, including learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and language understanding. Artificial intelligence isn't a new concept. Its roots trace back to 1950s. Early developments in logic and symbolic reasoning laid the groundwork for what would become the field of AI. Over the decades, AI has witnessed major milestones, from the creation of expert systems to the advancement of neural networks and machine learning algorithms. But why is AI so critical in today's world? Its importance cannot be understated. AI has become integral to various sectors including healthcare, finance, automotive, retail, and more. Its ability to automate tasks, enhance efficiency, and extract insights from vast amounts of data has positioned itself as a transformative technology in the 21st century. Now that we've established the significance of artificial intelligence, let's delve deeper into historical development. The journey of artificial intelligence began with early pioneers such as Alan Turing, who proposed the concept of universal machine capable of performing any task that could be described by a set of rules. This laid the theoretical groundwork for the development of AI. In the 1950s and 1960s, researchers explored symbolic AI, which focused on the manipulation of symbolic and logic to stimulate human reasoning. This era saw the creation of expert systems, which were capable of solving complex problems by reasoning through a vast set of rules. As we entered the 1980s and 1990s, AI experienced a resurgence with the emergence of neural networks and machine learning algorithms. Neural networks, inspired by the structure and function of the human brains, enable machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time. This laid the foundation for modern AI applications such as speech recognition, image classification, and natural language processing. In recent years, advancements in AI are propelled by the availability of large data sets and powerful computational resources. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, have revolutionized AI by enabling the training of complex neural networks with multiple layers. This has led to breakthroughs in areas such as computer vision, autonomous vehicles, and medical diagnosis. As we reflect on the history of artificial intelligence, it is clear that we are coming a long way with its inception, but what lies ahead for the future of artificial intelligence? Now, let's explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its various types, from narrow AI to super intelligent AI, where we'll uncover the capabilities and implications of each. Let's start with narrow AI. Often referred to as ANI, narrow AI systems are designed and trained for specific tasks. They excel in performing well-defined functions such as language transition, image recognition, or even playing board games like chess or Go. These systems are highly specialized and lack the broad cognitive abilities of human intelligence. Moving on, we have generative AI, also known as AGI. Unlike narrow AI, general AI processes human-like cognitive abilities. These systems are capable of understanding, learning, and applying knowledge across different domains. Imagine a machine that can reason, plan, and adapt to various situations much like a human being. Generative AI holds the promise of revolutionizing industries and transforming our society. Now, let's venture into the realm of super intelligent AI, or ASI. This category of AI represents a hypothetical scenario where machines surpass human intelligence in all aspects. Super intelligent AI has the potential to bring about profound societal changes and ethical considerations. While it remains speculative, the prospect of ASI raises important questions about the future of humanity and the relationship with technology. As we navigate the landscape of AI, it's essential to understand the distinction between these types. Narrow AI is relevant in our daily lives, powering virtual assistants, recommendation systems, and autonomous vehicles. Generative AI remains a long-term goal for researchers, with ongoing efforts to develop systems that can truly think and reason like humans. And while superintelligent AI may seem like science fiction, it is a topic that demands careful consideration as we continue to push the boundaries of AI research and development. Now let's talk about these things in the context of Saudi Arabia. In Saudi Arabia, AI is making significant strides across various sectors, from healthcare and finance to education and transportation. The kingdom's ambitious Vision 2030 initiative underscores the importance of AI in driving innovation and economic growth. As we look to the future, the possibilities of AI are limitless, but with great power comes greater responsibility. It's crucial to approach the development and deployment of AI with ethical consideration in mind, ensuring transparency, fairness, and accountability every step of the way. Now let's look at the inner workings of artificial intelligence and explore the fascinating technologies that power it. Let's start with machine learning, a subject of AI that enables systems to learn data and improve performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning encompasses various techniques, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. These algorithms allow machines to recognize patterns, make predictions, and adapt to new information, paving the way for intelligent decision-making. Next up, we have deep learning, a type of machine learning that has gained immense popularity in recent years, and deep learning utilizes neural networks with multiple layers to model complex patterns and data. These deep neural networks are capable of automatically extracting features from raw data, making them ideal for tasks such as image recognition, speech synthesis, and natural language processing. And neural networks, another component of AI, are computational models inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. These networks consist of interconnected nodes or neurons organized into layers. By adjusting the weight and biases of these connections, neural networks can learn to perform specific tasks such as image and speech recognition with remarkable accuracy. Moving on to natural language processing or NLP, which focuses on AI techniques for understanding and generating human language, and NLP enables machines to interpret and respond to human speech or text, opening up a wide range of applications including chatbots, language translation, sentiment analysis, and text summarization. With advancements in NLP, machines are becoming increasingly proficient at understanding and generating natural languages, blurring the lines between man and machine communication. Last but not the least, we have computer vision, which deals with AI systems' ability to interpret and analyze visual information from image and videos. Computer vision algorithms enable machines to identify the objects and understand the visual world around them, from autonomous vehicles and facial recognition systems to medical imaging and surveillance. Computer vision is revolutionizing industries and enhancing human capabilities. And in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the AI technologies are driving innovation across various sectors, from healthcare and finance to retail and cybersecurity. The kingdom's commitment to artificial intelligence research and development is evident in initiatives such as the Saudi Data and Artificial Intelligence Authority, which aims to accelerate the adoption of AI technologies and propel Saudi Arabia into a tech AI hub. As we continue to unlock the potential of artificial intelligence, it is essential to consider the ethical implication and ensure that these technologies are used responsibly for the benefit of society. Now let's talk about artificial intelligence transforming various industries and revolutionizing the way we live. Let's start with healthcare, where AI is making significant strides in improving patient care and outcomes. In Saudi Arabia, AI is revolutionizing healthcare with applications in medical imaging analysis, disease diagnosis, drug discovery, and personalized treatment plans, from detecting early signs of disease to assisting healthcare professionals in making informed decisions. AI-powered systems are enhancing the efficiency and accuracy of medical diagnosis and treatment, where AI is reshaping the landscape of the financial industry. In Saudi Arabia, AI powers algorithmic trading, fraud detection, credit scoring, and customer service, enabling financial institutions to streamline operations, reduce risks, and enhance customer satisfaction. With AI-driven insights and predictive analytics, financial professionals can make data-driven decisions and respond to market changes with agility and precision. In the automotive sector, AI is driving the development of autonomous vehicles, revolutionizing transportation and mobility. Self-driving cars leverage artificial intelligence technologies such as computer vision, sensor fusion, and decision-making algorithms to navigate roads safely and autonomously. In Saudi Arabia, initiatives to drive smart cities and improve transportation infrastructure are driving the adoption of AI-powered transportation solutions, paving the way for safer, more efficient, and sustainable mobility options. Next, we have retail, where AI-driven technologies are reshaping the customer experience and optimizing operations. In Saudi Arabia, AI-powered recommendation systems, demand forecasting, inventory management, and personalized marketing are enhancing the retail industry's efficiency and competitiveness. By analyzing vast amount of data and identifying patterns in consumer behavior, retailers can tailor the offerings, anticipate customer needs, and deliver personalized shopping experience that drives sales and loyalty. Lastly, in education, AI is revolutionizing the way we learn and teach. In Saudi Arabia, AI enables personalized learning experiences, adaptive tutoring systems, and automated grading, catering to individual student needs and improving learning outcomes. By leveraging AI-powered tools and platforms, educators can personalize instruction, identify areas for improvement, and provide timely feedback to students, empowering them to achieve their full potential. As we witness the transformative impact of AI across these industries, it's clear that Saudi Arabia is at the forefront of innovation and technology adoption. With initiatives such as Vision 2030 driving investments in AI research and development, the kingdom is poised to become a global leader in AI-driven innovation and entrepreneurship. Now, let's delve into the critical ethical considerations surrounding the development and deployment of artificial intelligence. Let's start by discussing bias in AI algorithms. AI systems are trained on vast amount of data, which may contain inherent biases reflecting societal prejudices and inequalities. As a result, AI systems can perpetuate or amplify bias present in training data, leading to unfair outcomes and discrimination. In Saudi Arabia as elsewhere, addressing bias in AI algorithms is essential to ensuring fairness and equity in AI-powered decision-making process. Next, we have privacy concerns. AI applications often rely on large amount of personal data to train models and make predictions. However, the collection and use of personal data raise significant concerns about data privacy, security, and consent. In Saudi Arabia, as AI technologies become more pervasive in sectors like healthcare, finance, and retail, safeguarding individuals' privacy rights and ensuring compliance with data protection regulations are paramount. Moving on to job displacement, automation driven by AI technologies has the potential to disrupt labor markets, leading to job displacements and socioeconomic inequalities. While AI can augment human capabilities and create new job opportunities, there is a risk that certain tasks and roles may become obsolete as automation replaces human workers. In Saudi Arabia, as in other countries, policymakers and industry leaders must address the challenges of job displacement by investing in education, reskilling, and workforce development initiatives. Another ethical concern is autonomous weapons. The development of AI-powered autonomous weapons raises profound ethical questions regarding accountability, proportionality, and the risk of unintended consequences. In Saudi Arabia, as a global leader in defense technology, it is crucial to engage in ethical debates and establish international norms and regulations to ensure the responsible development and use of autonomous weapon systems. Lastly, we'll discuss ethical AI development and deployment. Ensuring transparency, fairness, accountability, and human oversight in AI systems is crucial to mitigate ethical risks and promote trustworthiness. In Saudi Arabia, fostering a culture of ethical AI requires collaboration between government, industry, academia, and civil society to establish guidelines, standards, and the best practices for AI development and deployment. As Saudi Arabia continues to invest in AI research and development as part of the Vision 2030 initiative, it's essential to prioritize ethical consideration and ensure that AI technologies are developed and deployed in a manner that benefits society while minimizing harm. Now let's explore the challenges and limitations that accompany the advancements of artificial intelligence. First on the list of challenges is data quality and quantity. AI systems rely heavily on large high-quality data sets for training. However, such data sets may be scarce or biased in certain domains, hindering the performance of effectiveness in AI algorithms. In Saudi Arabia as elsewhere, efforts to improve data quality and diversity are crucial for ensuring the reliability and fairness of AI-powered systems. Next, we have interpretability and transparency. Deep learning models which are prevalent in AI applications are often considered black boxes, meaning it's challenging to interpret these decisions and understand the inner workings. The lack of transparency can lead to distrust and skepticism among users and stakeholders. In Saudi Arabia, promoting transparency and explainability in AI algorithms is essential for fostering trust and accountability. Another significant challenge is overcoming bias. Addressing bias in AI algorithms require careful data collection, pre-processing, and algorithmic design to ensure fairness and equality. In Saudi Arabia, as AI technologies become more pervasive in sectors such as healthcare, finance, and education, efforts to mitigate bias and promote diversity and inclusion are critical for building ethical and trustworthy AI systems. Moving on to regulatory and legal challenges, the rapid advancement of AI technology often outpaces regulatory frameworks, posing challenges for policymakers in areas such as data protection, liability, and accountability. In Saudi Arabia, as in other countries, there's a need to develop robust regulatory frameworks that balance innovation with ethical and societal consideration to ensure the responsible development and deployment of AI technologies. Lastly, we'll discuss ethical dilemmas. AI raises complex ethical dilemmas related to privacy, autonomy, accountability, and the impact on society. These dilemmas require interdisciplinary collaboration and ethical foresight to navigate effectively. In Saudi Arabia, fostering a culture of ethical AI requires engagement from government, industry, academia, and civil society to address these challenges and ensure that AI technologies are developed and deployed in a manner that benefits society while minimizing harm. As Saudi Arabia continues to invest in AI research and development as part of the Vision 2030 initiative, it's essential to recognize and address these challenges to realize the full potential of AI in driving innovation and economic growth. Finally, let's talk about the future trends that are shaping the landscape of artificial intelligence and the impact on society, industries, and economies. Firstly, let's discuss continuous advancement in AI technologies. AI research and development are expected to yield breakthroughs in areas such as reinforcement learning, meta-learning, and AI explainability. These advancements will push the boundaries of what AI can achieve, enabling machines to learn more efficiently, adapt to new environments, and make decisions with greater transparency and accountability. In Saudi Arabia, as in other countries, investments in AI research and talent development are key to driving innovation and maintaining competitiveness in the global AI race. Next, we have integration of AI with other technologies. AI will increasingly intersect with other emerging technologies such as the Internet of Things, blockchain technology, augmented reality, and virtual reality. This convergence will create opportunities for innovation and disruption across various sectors, from healthcare and finance to manufacturing and transportation. In Saudi Arabia, initiative to promote cross-sector collaboration and technology integration will be essential for unlocking the full potential of AI and driving digital transformation. Another important trend is ethical and regulatory developments. As AI becomes more pervasive in society, there will be a growing emphasis on ethical AI principles, responsible AI governance frameworks, and international cooperation to address global AI challenges. In Saudi Arabia, efforts to develop robust regulatory frameworks and promote ethical AI practices will be crucial for ensuring that AI technologies are developed and deployed in a manner that benefits society while minimizing harm. Lastly, let's explore the potential societal impacts and transformation of AI. AI has the potential to reshape industries, economies, and societies, driving productivity gains, economic growth, and societal progress. However, it also raises ethical, legal, and social concerns that must be addressed proactively in Saudi Arabia. As AI technologies continue to evolve and proliferate, it's essential to consider the broader implication and ensure that AI is used to advance human welfare and address societal challenges. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI will play a central role in shaping the way we live, work, and interact with technology. In Saudi Arabia, as in other countries, embracing AI innovation while addressing its challenges and ethical considerations will be critical for driving sustainable development and build for a better future for all. Thank you for joining us on this enlightened journey through the realm of artificial intelligence in Saudi Arabia. From exploring the historical evolution of AI to discussing its transformative impact across various industries, we've uncovered the vast potential and profound implication of this groundbreaking technology. As we conclude our podcast series, it's essential to reflect on the key takeaways and insights we've gained along the way. Saudi Arabia's ambitious Vision 2030 initiative underscores the kingdom's commitment to harnessing AI powers to drive innovation, diversify the economy, and improve the quality of life for its citizens. Throughout our discussion, we've emphasized the importance of ethical considerations in the development and deployment of AI technologies. From addressing bias in algorithms to ensuring transparency and accountability, ethical AI practices are essential for building trust, fostering inclusivity, and mitigating potential risks. Looking ahead, we anticipate continuous advancement in AI technologies, integration with other emerging technologies, and the development of robust regulatory frameworks to govern AI's responsible use. As AI continues to reshape industries, economies, and societies, it's crucial to prioritize collaboration, innovation, and ethical leadership to maximize its benefits while minimizing potential drawbacks. In closing, I want to express my gratitude to our listeners, guests, and sponsors for the support and engagement throughout this podcast series. Together, we've embarked on a journey to explore the frontier of AI in Saudi Arabia, and I'm excited to see the continued progress and innovation that lie ahead. Thank you once again for tuning in to Saudi Arabia AI Frontier. Remember to subscribe to our podcast for future episodes and stay updated on the latest developments in AI and technology. Until next time, I'm George from Blockchain DXB signing off, wishing you all a future filled with innovation, prosperity, and ethical AI.